Discover Kaludiya Pokuna, where nature and laughter come together in perfect harmony.
Kaludiya Pokuna, a breathtaking chapter waiting to be discovered. Join us on a short and a joyful adventure. Let the journey begin.
Welcome to Siblings to Smile. Hey guys, today we are going to go in a journey through back in time and fascinations of nature. So today we are here in Kaludiya Pokuna and I am here to tell you guys about that Kaludiya Pokuna. Let's go, come. The pond which lies in between the enchanting forests and tranquility lies this Kaludiya Pokuna. And what's Kaludiya Pokuna? It's simply black watered pond. This pond was carved using complicated rock structures and it was used by the monks to take bath, meditate and many more in the past. And of course this is also a structure which belongs to the Anuradhapura kingdom.
As we always tell you, this place is also filled with lush greenery spots and natural sights too. So if you are a nature lover, this is the best spot you could visit because you could find yourself within a peaceful environment.
This pathway adds a charm to the history of Kaludiya Pokuna, and the pond in the center is surrounded by rock carvings and pathways.
These caves are the sanctuaries where monks hunted loneliness for meditation and study.
To understand the value of these structures here, this structure right I am standing was created way back in 8th and 9th century. And this is a rock inscription which cannot be fully read because it was encrypted. But two guys are mentioned here who are Bodhi and Uva.
You said that Mihintale is the meaning of heritage, right?
Yes it is.
So what are the value to this heritage?
You know, Sri Lanka itself is famous for cultural heritage and this Mihintale place is at the center of it. So it should be the value of heritage. You're right. And this shows us how our ancestors, the people of past, have been rich in their thoughts, rich in their lives. So this is a witness for how their lives have been. If I forget why I came here, what am I shooting and everything, I could feel the inner peace of this place. This is a mix of joy and peace. Yes guys, this man-made pond, those later architectures of the past and the forests of the nature, everything makes me feel the peace around this place.
As we wrap up our journey in Kaludiya Pokuna,
Don't forget to join our exploration squad, and until the next video, stay curious
and keep exploring. This is Atmika
and Shamant
from Kaludiya Pokuna.